Hey Lawn Care Nation, so hopefully you guys have been enjoying this series of Exmark Commercial 30 videos that I've been putting out. I've been getting a lot of questions that I've been trying to answer in each and every video, and that is the same for this video. So a lot of you guys have been asking me what the mulching performance is of this mower. So I bag all of my clients' lawns, so I can't try it out on a customer property, but what I can do is mow or mulch my own backyard to try it out. So I just finished cleaning the underside of the deck to make sure it's relatively clean. We'll take the bag off, put the mulch plug in, and then go out into the backyard and give it a mow with the mulch plug and see how that does. So the backyard is relatively long in spots. It's only been about a week, but it's been getting a lot of rain, and the temperatures have been warm, so it's been growing pretty good. So it should be a good test to see how the mulching performance is on this Exmark Commercial 30 S series mower. So let's take a look under the deck and I'll show you what it looks like. So I tried to get the underside relatively clean. Just wiped it down with a glove to get any big clumps and stuff. And we'll throw the mulch plug on there. As you can see, the mulch plug is brand new. Haven't used it yet. Still got the mulch plug installed in there. Had a bit of a tough time with all the built up grass that was in there. Had to scrape that clean first. So let's see what it looks like underneath. A little bit of grass buildup in the back, along the side here, but not too bad. Did a good job. You can see the lawn there. Pretty good, not too many remnants. Actually, right now it looks like it's been bagged for the most part, and it was just mulched. Go look at that thicker area. Still did good, no clumps, no grass left behind. Very good. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation, the Exmark Commercial 30 S Series in a mulching test. I think you guys will agree that it did really, really well, especially in that taller, thicker, lush grass there. Actually really surprised me, left no visible clippings behind. So that's really cool. Actually made the lawn look like it was bagged. So I was really surprised by that. I might actually start to reconsider, doing mulching in my own lawn care business when the conditions are right for it. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see this Exmark Commercial 30 S Series in any other types of mowing conditions, and I'll do my best to do a video on it. Also, leave a comment and let me know what you think of the mulching capabilities of this Exmark Commercial 30. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.